right? To calculate distance d2 and distance d3. So now I will consider distance d2. So here in distance d2 we have s, b and s, and s is the spacing between overtaking vehicle and overtaken vehicle, and again the same spacing is considered after overtaking operation of vehicle A. The same spacing is considered the distance between overtaken vehicle and overtaking vehicle, right? So that we'll be having 2 times of s, right? Similarly, plus we need to consider the distance traveled by the vehicle B during the overtaking operation of vehicle A, that is small b. For this, in this operation vehicle A, that vehicle A starts accelerating at this position and shifts to the adjoining lane, and overtakes this vehicle B, right? And again shifts back to the original lane, right? In this case the vehicle will take some time to travel to the particular distance. Right here the recommendations is given to calculate the spacing s. The spacing s, the recommendation has been given by Indian Road Congress as 70% of the overtaken vehicle is to be considered along with length of vehicle, right here, and 6 is the length of the vehicle, 6 meter. In that case you may consider 6.1. In some textbooks it is denoted with 6.1, but here in this case we have to consider the s is 0.7 vb plus 6 is the length of the vehicle, and 70% of overtaken vehicle speed is to be considered to calculate this distance s from overtaking vehicle to the overtaken vehicle. That is again given in the meter. We know that overtaken vehicle speed and 6 meter is a constant and 0.7 is also constant. On this equation we will get the distance s. So now we need to talk about the distance b here. The distance b is the distance traveled by the vehicle during the reaction time of the during the actual overtaking operation of the vehicle A with design speed vb, right? That is given in, that is considered to be here. Now the t is the time required or time taken by the vehicle B to move from position 1 to position 2 right? Now t is the time on speed of overtaken vehicle B and the acceleration of overtaking vehicle A, that is the time t is dependent, the speed of this overtaking and overtaken vehicle. This is already we have discussed. This time t may be calculated by equating the distance d2 here, distance d2 to vb is the speed of the vehicle and time taken t to to travel from position b1 to position b2. As we have calculated here vb into small t from distance d1, the vehicle traveling with vb with a reaction time of the driver t2, but here the b1 to b2 the vehicle is moving with a design speed vb, but it takes actual time t. It is not determined previously, right? And because it is dependent on many factors. So here the basic physics is to be considered here. For that vb into t is the total distance here, half at square is considered here for the calculation of distance b over here. As you can see in this video, in this part, d2 is a b plus 2s as we have considered here, b plus 2s, right? And vb t plus half at square is a distance, is this one b is nothing but vb into t, and 2s is nothing but half at square, and this half at square is considered based on the physics. Here a is the acceleration, t is the time taken by the vehicle or taken by the body to move from one position to another position with uniform acceleration, that is considered, right? And vb is vb into t, and that is total distance b. This distance b is considered vb into t, and here 2s is considered half at square, right? And then so here we need to know that what is t. T is dependent, as we discussed, that the spacing, that is design speed of the vehicle b, and acceleration of vehicle a, right? That is what we are considered 4s by a. And this formula we are not deriving, these are all recommended by the Indian Road Congress, so that we need to consider these values, these formulas, and then we have to calculate the overtaking side distance, because the time t is dependent on the space and the acceleration of vehicle a. The spacing is dependent on overtaking vehicle speed and overtaken vehicle speed, right? This much we can consider, we can know to know in this formulas. And again, where s is nothing but 0.7 vb plus 6, as we have discussed here in this part, right? Now this much is completed, and here so d2, so here d2 will be vb is the speed of the overtaken vehicle into t, into reaction total time taken by the vehicle a during overtaking operation, plus 2 times of s. S is the spacing, and here s is nothing but 0.7 vb plus 6. 6 is the length of the vehicle, and 70% of speed is considered to calculate the equal spacing between vehicle A and vehicle B, and t is the time, that is calculated by 4 times of s divided by acceleration, right? Once you calculate this t, then you can substitute here, this t can be substituted here, and vb we already know that, and for s, this s is substituted by this, by calculating this 0.7 vb plus 6. Now we have completed this d1 d2, then we have to move on to d3, right? So d3 is the distance traveled by the vehicle during overtaking operation of vehicle a. So that again, this distance is considered with traveled with a particular specified time. That specified time is nothing but this time taken by the vehicle a. Whenever the vehicle a is traveling with a time, in that time only the vehicle c is traveled from position c1 to position c2, right? So that the time is considered same as this time for this vehicle. So here d3 is considered as v is a design speed traveling with a particular kilometer per hour by vehicle c with time. The same time is considered for this distance, because this distance the vehicle a is traveled from position a2 to a3, that will take particular time. In that same time the vehicle c is traveled from c1 to c2, so that because of that same time we need to consider the same t, and this moving with a speed v, right? So that we can write overtaking side distance as d1 plus d2 plus d3, right? And here d1 d2 and d3, d1 is vb into reaction time of the driver, right? Plus d2 is the distance traveled by vehicle a during overtaking operation, vb into capital T plus 2s, and d3 is the distance traveled by vehicle c from position c1 to c2, that is v into t, right? V into t. This much is the formula that is considered to be here, and s is here, this one yes you can consider, and t is the this one, and this t is 4s by a, right, and v into t, that is consider same thing is written over here. Overtaking site distance is the distance traveled by d1, d2 and d3 different vehicles, and d1 is the vb into t, t is the reaction time of the driver, right, and vb into capital T, and 2s is the distance, that is vb plus 2s, and again v into capital T is the distance traveled by vehicle c, that is d3, right. The same thing is considered for speed in meter per second. Speed in meter per second, if you want to calculate with speed in kilometer per hour, you need to consider this formula. Just you need to enter this vb in place of v, you have to consider in kmph, that is 1 by 3.6. once you alter this equation by substituting v in the place of vb 1 by 3.6, you will get this 1.28 vb into t, 0.28 vb into capital T plus 2s, and again 0.28 v into t here. And that is what the same thing the content is observed. And here in kilometer per hour, the acceleration value will be deferred, that is acceleration a is to be considered deferred. Sometimes in the case the speed of overtaken vehicle vb is not given in your problems, the vb speed, that is the vehicle b speed is not given, the same may be assumed as you can consider in the case vb is not given, that is overtaking vehicle speed is not given. Please observe here, the overtaking speed of the vehicle is not given, in that case we have to consider the speed of overtaking vehicle minus 4.5 in meter per second, right. In the case when the overtaken vehicle speed is not given, in that case you have to consider overtaking vehicle minus 4.5 in meter per second. The same thing if you are considering in kilometer per hour, so that vb equal to v minus 16, this is considered in kilometer per hour kmph, right. If you consider vb is equal to v minus 16, that in kilometer per hour, if you consider meter per second, you have to consider as v minus 4.5. this is the most important thing you have to remember in calculating overtaking site distance. I hope you are all come to know that how the distance d1, d2, d3 are calculated, and what are the factors are affecting to the situation, and how they have considered in calculating the distance, right. If you have any queries and regarding this explanation, please contact me, right, so that I can clear your doubts, right. I hope everything I have completed this overtaking site distance d1, d2, d3, and in next class I will start solving problems on this content, right. Thank you.